Oh my goodness, what is going on? The world has gone mad. It's official. The world has gone mad. So for those of you who haven't seen our videos before, hello, I'm Cyan. This is Moregeous Mansions behind me. Mr. Moregeous is still on the sofa recovering from his leg operation 8 weeks ago. So we've been pretty much self-isolating for about the last 7 weeks. And now the rest of the world appears to be joining us. For those of you that don't know, we've been doing up this house behind me for about 5 years. My goodness, that's a long time, isn't it? So we've done a lot of it self-build. We've been working all the time, all the way through it, working full time, stopping to save a bit of money, carrying on going. And I work in the property and interiors industry and do a lot of DIY. We do a lot of the stuff ourselves. We do, one of the reasons we've done the house and gone large on it, so done a bigger than the normal extension, was because we wanted to start having courses and food events and interior workshops and salvage workshops here at the house. And of course, just at the point we get going, COVID-19, coronavirus, hits in and takes the rug out from underneath our feet. As it's doing, I'm not going to stop the video. Comedy value here. As it's doing with many of you. I mean, flipping heck, I've got friends that are in the hospitality industry, friends that are in the restaurant industry. It's picking up. And it's bloody difficult out there. We've also got rental property, so I've got tenants who are working from home. I've got tenants who are worried about their jobs, people that work in the TV and the film industry. Work is getting cancelled left, right and centre. So we're on very shaky ground, aren't we? We're on really shaky ground and everybody's really worried. Lots of people are now off work and staying at home and lots of people are poorly. I think we've just had this morning our first, a friend whose son actually has coronavirus, so they're all now isolating for 14 days. So what I thought was that we would kickstart Lunchtime Lives again. So some of you might remember, people that have been following us at Make It Moregeous for a while, that we used to do Lunchtime Lives. When we were, last year we went off filming a TV show, helping on a TV show. So we weren't here, literally for about a year, just coming back at weekends and the odd day. But before that, when we were full on DIYing here and building and self-building, we used to do a Lunchtime Live every day. So we'd focus on a different bit of the house, whether it was the roof, whether it was bricking, whether it was painting, tiling, all sorts of different stuff, because we do all sorts of different stuff. And we'd focus on that every day and talk a little bit and give a little bit of advice, and also get advice from experts as well. So you know what, I thought I'd just kick those off again. Not a paid thing. This is not like a charging thing. This is not a way for us to make money. Just because a lot of us are looking online now, aren't we? We're not going out. We're not going to restaurants. Difficult for the hospitality industry, crikey Moses. But we're just looking for fun things to do, maybe, during the day and online when we're supposed to be working. So I'm going to start them off again. 1 o'clock every day, Lunchtime Live. If any of you have got any questions, particular questions about DIY in your house or things you want to do, then let me know. I'll put up a question thing on stories, and also I might ask some experts to join in. You know, you do the half and half thing and we'll have a chat. I've had nearly 25 years in the building industry and property and interiors, so got quite a wealth of experience behind us, but also there are other experts out there who know a little bit more than me on certain subjects. So if you're one of those, get in touch. I saw a really good hashtag this morning as well, time to chat. I think that Katie has set it up from Come Down to the Woods. That was really good as well. So I'm going to hashtag that in as well, time for a chat, because that'll be my time to chat on the things that we're doing here at 1 o'clock every day. So hopefully some of you might join in. Right, I'm going to go and do a little bit of rental stuff. One of our Airbnb guests is self-isolating, so I've got some washing to do for her. I'm going to check in that everyone's okay. I've rung all my tenants. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Close battery, low battery, button went off. Right, 4.5 minutes, been waffling on for ages, but hopefully you've got a bit of an idea of what we're going to do. And if you have any questions about things you want to do in your house, let me know and hit me up.